Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add emergency contacts on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to user and accounts. Okay, tap this. Here in user and account, below, you can see the emergency information. Okay, tap the emergency information. Now here in emergency information, you can see the emergency contact. And below of this emergency contact, you can see the add contact. Now, to add the contact, you'll have to do is tap this add contact, and you can see all your contact on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, for my example, I add one of my contacts, so I choose Gabriel. Okay, tap the contact you want to add to this emergency contact. So okay guys, here the Gabriel, and also you can add another by tap the add contact again. And for my example, I add Dr. Wabel. Okay, tap this. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully add 2 emergency contacts on my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.